Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm hoping to get 2 more of these beams put in. So if you're enjoying the content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more of this project and others, make sure to check out some of the other content. Here we go. Enjoy the clips. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I got all of the beams done, and so I'm going to get all of my tools out of here, and then I'm going to probably go ahead and get everything cleaned up real good and get ready for, I'm going to put in some string construction lights up in the ceiling so I don't have to fool with this other light anymore. And then once I get everything clean, I'm going to go ahead and get my ductwork retaped and rewrapped with the radiant barrier insulation material. And then I will get everything restrapped to where it's up as high as it needs to go. And I'll get my 2, I guess the registers, whatever the register goes in, the little air box in the floor. I forget the exact name of it. But I guess it's some type of plenum box or something. I'll get those put in exactly where I want as well. I'll get those wrapped. And then once I'm done with that, then I will be able to go in and put my post in the ground and concrete blocks in the ground. And then I will be able to start putting in my brand new floor joist in between these existing 24-inch on center ones, just so the room's nice and solid. So, but that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section, and now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.